Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to build a project using a buzzer and a IR sensor, right? So this project has several applications like automatic door safety. So this project can detect if someone is in front of the door to avoid the accidents, and it can also be used as an object counter, right? So suppose in conveyor belt system it can detect the objects passing through the belt, and it can trigger the buzzer and the LED, right? So the components for this project are jumper wires, a breadboard, a buzzer, IR sensor, Arduino Uno, and a LED. Now let us start building the circuit. So as you can see, the IR sensor has 3 pins: the out pin, ground pin, and the VCC. So you can take out the signal from the IR sensor using this pin, out pin, right? So let us place the IR sensor on the breadboard. And this is the positive terminal of the LED, and this is the negative terminal. So let us place the LED also. And now let us place the wire of the IR sensor to the out pin, right? So this will be act as a signal wire, and the red wire will be used for VCC and brown wire will be used for ground. So the middle pin of the IR sensor is the ground one, so brown will be connected to the middle position, right? And this is the positive terminal, so this will be connected to the positive terminal of the LED, and this black wire will be used to connect the negative terminal, right? Now let us connect the buzzer to the Arduino. So the positive terminal of the buzzer will be connected to pin number 7, and negative terminal will be connected to the ground. So this is the ground pin of the Arduino, right? Now let us connect the positive and the negative of the IR sensor. So this is the 5-volt pin of the Arduino, and this will be connected to the ground. And this is the signal wire of the IR sensor, so it will be connected to pin number 5, right? And this is the negative of the LED, so it will be connected to the ground. And this is the positive of the LED, so let us connect it in the pin number 4. So we are done with the circuit diagram, and now let us have a look at the code. So this is the program for our project. As you can see in this program, we are reading the digital state of the IR sensor and storing that state into the sensor value variable. And if the obstacle is detected, that means the sensor value is equal to low. And please note that this sensor value may depend on what kind of IR sensor you are using. On some sensors, obstacle is detected when this sensor value is low, and on some sensors this sensor value becomes high when the obstacle is detected. So you can change this value depending on your IR sensor. So if the obstacle is detected, we are writing the high signal to the LED and the buzzer. Otherwise, if there is no obstacle, we are writing low signal to the LED and buzzer. And the LED and buzzer will stay on for the delay of 2 seconds. Okay. So if you have any doubt regarding this project, let me know in the comment section. We will meet in another video with the next project. Till then, goodbye.